G'day guys, how you going? Today I want to show you a little product that I found very handy when solo travelling. It's the ATG Jiko camp stove. You can find it on Raven Saddle website, so I'll link it down below. It's a great little pack. It's about 370 grams and comes in a small little ripstop bag. It's perfect for chucking in your hiking bag or in your backpack. If you're going for a ride on your bike and you want to take your billy with you, take that along and you can make some tea or coffee when you stop for lunch, or if you're doing an overnight trip. It's perfect for heating up food. It runs on metho or something similar to that. Check on the website, they've got a full description on what it does, what it runs on, but I'm using metho on mine. Only downside to that is you can't necessarily see the flames sometimes, but you can feel the heat, so you know it's going to work. Yeah, it's a perfect little camp stove for forward driving, hiking, camping, motorbike riding, because it is light. It's 370 grams and it's small, so it doesn't take up a lot of room. It's easy to install, easy to use. You get about 25 minutes out of a tank of fuel, so it's enough to boil your billy or heat your food up. Perfect for overnight trips. Comes with a little leak-proof cap, so you can fill your burner up and leave it full and know that it's not going to leak through your bag. It also comes with a little flame suppressor, so if you just want to keep something warm, chuck it on and it's not going to burn it. It'll just run at a slower heat. It has stainless steel supports which can carry up to 100 kilos, so you know it's definitely strong. However, you're not going to use that. As I said, it only runs for 25 minutes, so you're not making huge meals out of it. You're just boiling your billy or cooking up a little quart pot or something like that for tucker. Yeah, great little bit of kit, guys. Definitely recommend you go check it out, especially if you like your adventure. Alright, cheers, eh?